Jen, in just a short time, you and I will embark on the greatest journey that God has ever given man and woman.
One look at you, my whole life falls in line. I prayed for you.
My dearest Collin, I can't believe today is here. I never thought my heart could love the way it loves you.
Oh, I can't believe
I never thought that loving someone would ever be so easy, but with you it has been nothing but.
Oh, I can't believe it's true.
We have been through many seasons together and we've made it through it all. I am so grateful our great Lord put our paths alongside one
It's
another.
the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to
I love
love
you as Christ loves the church. You and I will be
It's a
bound together for eternity.
promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will
You're my best
choose.
friend and I look forward to more love, more laughter, and more
I
memories.
do. I get to love you. I get to love you. The way you love, it changes who I am.
Today you become my forever. Today I am both grateful and blessed. Today I will call you my wife. I love you.
Thank God once again. Oh, I can't believe it's true. Sometimes, oh, I
Can't wait to say I do to you. See you at the altar, honey bear. Your bride, Jennifer.
I get to love you. It's the best thing that I'll ever do. I get to love you. It's a promise I'm making to you. Whatever may come, your heart I will choose. Forever I'm yours, forever I do. I get to love you. 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 And they say love is a journey. I promise that I'll never leave.
Give me your hand and I will walk with you and guide you towards God as one flesh. These and more are my vows to you. I love you, Jen.
Today I choose to be stuck in the rainstorm with you over and over again. If it means falling asleep next to you every night of my life, I can't imagine my life without you. I love you with all of my soul.
I pronounce you husband and wife. You may seal this union with a kiss.
Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in bloom. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I know
We have loved watching you and Collin meet and go through everything that y'all have been through and create such a strong relationship and building that strong foundation on Christ. And we are honored to stand
it's
beside
time
you.
this fairy tale came true. Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in bloom. Put on your white dress, yeah, cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. We got all we need. I'll find a ring if you'll find a shady tree. My friend, they're all buzzing, words out, everyone's coming. Better tell them to bring a preacher too. Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in blue. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I'll call my mama
I
and
just love you. I'm so thankful for our friendship, and I'm so glad that you #found your Collin.
It's a good day, it's about to get better. How every dream is about to come true. No reason to wait, we got the weather. We just need our groove. Baby, this
From day one, you've provided the family with an energy and an enthusiasm that clearly was missing.
It's a good day for marrying you. I'll call my mama.
We'll always be praying for y'all, and I know that I speak for everyone here that we're here to support y'all, and that doesn't just end when the night's over and the sparklers have died out.
Baby, the sun is shining, dogwoods are coming in blue. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you. I'll call my mama and daddy, baby, you call yours too. Put on your white dress, yeah, 'cause baby, it's a good day for marrying you.